please sponsor me, sponsor my business so that I'll be able to explore. I can even go to Dubai with your money. I just came across that other nice thing there. The picture is written retag it. So we are being told to retag it. Retag your life, retag your strategies, retag your future, retag everything. Yep. So it's actually a shop, guys. It's a shop by the name Retag. It's a shop. I don't know what they offer, but it's a shop called Retag It. In case you need something from Retag It, here it is found in which street is this one? I'll try to locate the street. So if you need something from Retag It thrift shop, you gotta come and find it here right in Swakopmund. Yes. I'm exploring in Swakopmund, so be ready to see anything. See those good, nice historical buildings. So anything that impresses my eyes, I will showcase it to you as well. So let us explore together. Guys, I have greeted you enough today. What I'm going to do is I'm about to introduce to you the topic of this hour, because our topics are demarcated into series. So I just want to unpack the topic of this hour, not for the day but for the hour, because the series are a lot. So today, no, I will actually unpack it at another kind of background. This one is just to show you that I'm standing somewhere here. This is actually the Tug restaurant. I don't know if you read it, you are able to read the name of the restaurant from here, but that's the Tug restaurant right there. Good. Ocean view. This is a beautiful something like a garden. I don't know how it's called, but let me call it a garden for now. Don't arrest me for that. Allow me to express myself with my level of English from Omakango village. Yebo, that's the water. Can you see the water? Yep. The water right there. Our topic for today is captioned, what do you do when you encounter challenges? What do you do when you encounter challenges? You know, life was going good for you. You are running your project successfully. Everything is going well, smoothly, fantastic. All of a sudden, trouble or a challenge shows up. What do you do in that case? So that's what I'm going to unpack to you today, and you and I are gonna explore on this journey of learning how to deal with difficulties that might come along our way. 2023 might present its own challenges to you. We are not assuming that there will be no single challenge, because challenge is something that is there to help us. Don't always look at it in a negative way, because it helps us grow. So challenges in a way are grooming us. So we are going to unpack this topic later, not now. This is just an introduction while I'm standing here by that beautiful restaurant that goes by the name The Tug. As you can see from that picture, it's written The Tug there. So let us explore Swakopmund together. Let us hire the backpackers and come back. We can also hire like seaside hotel or strand any other hotel. Then we can come mingle here. So yeah. What do you think of the background? What is the background? What does it mean to you? Is Swakop a beautiful place, or you are still doubting about it? If you are doubting, come here and explore it yourself. You are going to realize that it's indeed a fantastic place. Look at the guinea fowls. Look at the guinea fowls. They're looking pretty good. Pretty. Such pretty turkeys. Is it turkeys type of animals, or should we call it animals? Whatever you are going to call it. Those are the beautiful birds I'm referring to. Let me zoom them nicely. Let me zoom them nicely for you. Okay, I'll go there now. It's such a beautiful place, eh? Very beautiful indeed. Let me get closer to the guineas. Guinea fowls. The guineas. Let me get closer to the guineas. Seems like they are scared of me. I'm not harmful, oh. Come back, I'm not harmful. They are running away from me, my dear. These beautiful animals are running away from Madame Zina. Those are the guinea fowls. Guineas, right? Yeah, I think that's what they are called. Guinea fowls, so beautiful indeed. Wow. God's nature, God's creation. Magnificent indeed. The streets of Swakopmund. This is actually the front of the Tug restaurant. Such a wonderful place indeed. I'm telling you, you should come and mingle here. Everything is just powerful here. I'm having a powerful time here, standing by the Tug restaurant. The Tug restaurant. Go, yebo. I like this view as well. This view there is also powerful. If you can only drop a comment that Namibia is a beautiful place apart from Dubai and the like, comment about Namibia. I want to hear it from you. Thank you. This is the corner of Tug restaurant. The Tug. Can you see the name there? Can you read for yourself? The Tug restaurant. How are you finding it? Is it nice or it's not nice? Is it nice, guys? Ocean view there. Wow, beautiful indeed. I'm telling you, I'm exploring. I am exploring, my darling. Next time, let us arrange for a collabo video, then we can explore together. Don't just be home sleeping. Come so we explore together. Part of the mandate of Upbeat Talks YouTube channel is to showcase Namibia and ultimately Africa to the world. So I'm showcasing about my Namibia here. Don't think I'm just joking. It's part of the mandate, so don't get confused. Don't get confused. Let us contribute towards achieving the vision of big tags. I'm exploring, my darling. I'm exploring. This is the Tug restaurant. This is the ocean. So it's such a great adventure. I'm adventurous. Please sponsor me. Sponsor my business so that I'll be able to explore. I can even go to Dubai with your money. You sponsor me some mullahs. I go to Dubai. Then you'll be able to see the visuals of Dubai, the pre-visuals, even before you go there. So let us mingle together. Sponsor me, and I will bring you good results. Aibo. If you remember correctly, what did we say we are going to talk about today? I want you to be people who capture quickly. What did I say that we are going to unpack today? I said we are going to talk about what do we do when we encounter challenges. Things are going smoothly. Things are going smooth. Everything is going well. All of a sudden, challenges just jump in. Before you know it, you are in the middle of a challenge. What do you do in such a case? So that is what we are going to talk about. So yeah, Namibia for you. Namibia for you. Look at those people sitting upstairs. Hey, having a great time at the Tug restaurant. So I will talk about the topic just now. Be patient with me. I will talk about it. So I have to capture a few visuals before I dive into the topic of the hour. We have to collect enough visuals. Sorry. Yeah. We are actually collecting enough visuals before we dive into the topic of today, this hour. How are you finding the visuals? Namibia for you, Swakopmund for you, Africa for you, Atlantic Ocean for you, Atlantic Ocean for you. So it's amazing, super amazing. Having a great time in the Tug restaurant, my dear. Whoa, you see that car? That's tourist car. Amazing. You see the Namibian flag right there? Amazing. Everything is good here in my eyes. I thank God for the wonderful work. Magnificent indeed. Yes, the ocean, the lovely work of God. I'm vlogging in the ocean, my dear. You see here where I'm standing? Oh my gosh, I'm vlogging. Oh my gosh, it's so powerful. It is so powerful. Vlogging in the ocean, vlogging in the middle, vlogging in the middle of an ocean. Vlogging in the ocean. Fellow YouTubers, where are you vlogging from? I'm vlogging from the ocean. I'm vlogging from Atlantic Ocean, here by the corner of the Tug restaurant in Namibia, Swakopmund town. Vlogging in the middle of an ocean. Are you seeing the dunes? A bit further, those are the dunes. So it's a combination of dunes and the water. Next time I'll vlog to you from the Now Kluft Desert. I'm vlogging in the ocean. Vlogging in the ocean. Yeah, boo. I'm vlogging in the ocean, standing on this jetty thing. Standing on a jetty. I came across these regulations. Municipal regulations. You want to read them? Let me zoom them for you. Next time you come on the jetty here, you come on a jetty, then you should know what to do. Already while you are in the village, read the regulations so that when you come here, you are not going to bring disorder or put things the way you didn't find them. So read the regulations from far by Jetty Management. Thank you for your attention. I'm showcasing my country, Namibia, from the Atlantic Ocean. What do you think of that view? What do you think of that view? If you want to find out where I am exactly, maybe you are saying, at which part of Swakopmund is she right now? This is just, I'm in town. If you know where Woman Bro, KFC and other bigger shops, ShopRite, all other shops. This is almost the corner of Swakopmund CBD. So yeah. So this is just like the corner of this is the corner of the Tug restaurant. That restaurant that you see right there, that restaurant is where I'm standing on the jetty. Such a powerful view. I love it. So I'm showcasing Swakopmund to you even before you come. You already have an idea of what Swakopmund looks like. You got a view of what Swakopmund looks like.